All right, May 2nd here, 2024. We're close to done. I haven't decided. I might add some blue sky here. Could do a couple more allegorical sea monsters. We have Beauty and the Beasts. Beauty being Senesh of blessed memory, a chicken, I call a holy chicken, and my late Budgie Blanche DeBoyd, named after a character in a Tennessee Williams play and movie, Streetcar Named Desire. And I added after doing the coloring, I added a piece of a fragment from a King David woodcut print that was originally made in 1976. And I have to thank this stuffed parrot toy I've had for at least since 1982, 83. Dr. Harvey, he's memorialized with a bunch of other stuffed animals and what have you in a large drawing I did some years ago, actually back then, which I still have, called Noah's Ark, which was supposed to go to a children's clinic or hospital, and haven't gotten that accomplished yet. Anyway, Dr. Harvey here lost his feet, and I came across it the other day in a box of stuff, and there I've given the budgie a crown. All right, there you have it. This is almost done now. Under the Wings 79, in blessed memory of Senesh, who gave her life trying to stop fascism and Nazism in Europe, Hungarian, Yugoslavian area during World War II. The Beauty and the Beasts. Can we get some foul input, FOWL over here? Huh? Birds are quiet this morning. All right, there you have it.